Welcome to Destination Jamaica, the ninth evening of the World Athletics Championships. Led us to the 4x100 finals, and we just watched the finals for the women. Now, we thought Jamaica had it in the bag, but upon the first change, where it took Kemba a while to get the baton to Shelly, and from there, they were just trying to catch up. They got second place. We had to wait before we posted this video because we want to confirm that they weren't disqualified based on the past, because there was some iffy about that. The changes were the problem. They had, based on what I just saw, they had slower changes when it comes to the batons as opposed to the other teams. Also, Shelly run the fastest leg, you know, amongst everyone else. That's the third leg. Sharika Jackson tried her best to catch up the USA team to get first place, and it was so close. So good going, Jamaica, and getting that silver. Of course, we could dispute about this and talk about all the things that went wrong, but it happened. The final took place. Can't go back and change it. So we are grateful for the silver. Another medal added to the tally. And who knows? They'll learn from this. They'll probably have more practice for the release and so forth. Alright guys, so that's it. We have to watch the 400 4x100 meter for the men right now. Talk soon.